What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about some more FL Studio 21 beta features, including the multi-band delay. So let's get right into it. We're going to route this to track 4, and then on track 4 we're going to just throw in this multi-band delay plugin. You're going to find it underneath the new categories, okay? If you don't see these categories, come up over here to where it says tree symbol and categories, and just click categories, and then you should see it under the new. If you don't, go to more plugins and you should be able to find it there. But it's multi-band delay. We'll pull it up. All right, so what multi-band delay is it's obviously a delay plugin, but it's more than that. You can mess with volume and panning inside of it. But essentially, it's got 16 bands here, okay? And each band has a part of the frequency spectrum chopped into it. So essentially, this first band is 20 hertz, okay? And then it just keeps going all the way up until 20 kilohertz, all right? So you got pretty much the whole frequency spectrum right here for you to mess with. Each one has a little lever here that you can move up or down, just like so. But if you notice, it kind of moves it in a curve like this. There's options down here at the bottom left of the program. The default option is the curve, and that's what this is. It lets you get nice curves inside the delay if that's what you want. But if you want more lines, you can actually hit the line button, and this will let you get a nice line. And then if you want to just edit them individually, you could go over to the pencil mode, and this is for single use. Alternatively, each band you can actually turn off by clicking the gray bar at the top. It will just mute that band. You can click it again and it will lock it in place, and then click it once more to get it back to its normal state. And now if we look down here, we got a scale option, all right? It's going to scale the delay within the range of -100% and 100%, okay? You can mess with this scale to get some more sauce or more delay just to make it sound interesting and unique. And then you also got your feedback knob, which is going to give more feedback in the delay. And then if we look over here, this is your filter mode for the delay. You got gentle, steep, or linear phase. You can mess with all of those. And then smoothing time is going to smooth out the delay or the volume or the pan, whichever one you're doing, okay? So keep that in mind. You can mess with, like I said, you can mess with the volume and the panning too. This morph knob is just going to do some crazy stuff to your whatever you're using it on. If we had the volume like this and mess with the morph knob, it's going to do some crazy stuff. Now you can also turn this keep pitch on, and then also you have 8 banks to mess with. So you can get different presets. Like if you want to mess with one delay here, have it on bank 1 and then switch over to bank 2 and have a different kind of delay. All right, so let's kind of show how this sounds, all right? Let's just hit play with what it's at right now and see how it sounds and kind of mess with the scale and feedback, and then, mess with these as well. So as you can see, just messing with that a little bit got a really cool sound on this sample. So yeah, it's really dope. The unfortunate thing is in the beta, it's currently in trial version, so you won't really be able to save with it, unfortunately, no matter what version of FL Studio you're on, because they're still trying to figure out what edition they want to put this in. So yeah, keep that in mind. It is really cool though. So That's pretty much it though. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.